Thursday morning, July 1st. I'm currently standing 13 feet 10 inches above the ground, which is the elevation of my second floor patio. I'm up in the southwest corner of the property. You can see that quite a bit has been completed yesterday. The day before, they got all these beams set for the structure. And today this patio that I'm standing on, as well as some of these rooms, went up. Another lumber drop coming today, so we're going to see some big time changes, which should include the flooring system. Again, that's July 1st, 7:20 in the morning.